In this tutorial, we'll add the functionality to scan a barcode or QR code with the device's camera. In this courier app, as part of scheduling a package for pickup, the user can click a button to scan a package's barcode. Let's add this functionality to the app. Click blocks in the upper left or press the T key on your keyboard. Click the Scan Barcode button name in the component tree. Drag the When button Scan Barcode click block and drag it into the workspace. Click the barcode label in the component tree, drag the Set Label Barcodes Text to block, and nest it within the yellow event block we added a moment ago. Click Camera under App Features. Drag the barcode scanned block and connect it to the Set Labels text block. This block has been built to scan a barcode or a QR code. We'll leave it as the back camera, but you have the option of the front camera too, if you want. Let's test it with the Thunkable Live app. Click the Take Scan Barcode button. You may need to authorize the app to access your device's camera. Scan the package's barcode. Great! We've configured the app to successfully scan and record a barcode or QR code with the device's camera. From here, you can build your app to perform various actions or processes based on the scanned barcode's data. For example, you could do product lookup, inventory management, or link to online resources, to name a few. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And let us know in the comments how you plan on incorporating barcode or QR scanning in your app. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, innovation should have no limits.